Hey, what is your name, man?
My name is Gemma.
All right, then how did you hear about the garage?
Well, I heard about the garage through actually the person that owns it, his mom. And then Pastor Hagen kind of said, the garage is a good place to go.
And it sure is.
And that's when I came back, because, I think I told you in my previous review, I had gone to other places because I was like, it's kind of expensive. But then I learned my lesson. You get what you pay for. So you guys are stuck with me now.
Very good. And so your experience been good?
Yes, it's been great.
Yeah.
It's been always, I always have church when I get here. It's always been a blessing. So
Awesome.
yes.
So would you recommend us, man?
Of course. Anytime. You can get church. You can get a word, encouragement.
Good.
The garage. You should come.